Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you guys are new here, hello, my name is Lizzet. It's so nice to meet you and I'm so happy to have you here. Today's video is going to be a get it all done clean with me. And today's video is actually going to be a little bit different. You guys have been asking me to do a voiceover throughout the video, so that's what I will be doing. I usually just let the music play, but I'm here to give you guys what you guys want. So if you like to get some cleaning motivation from me and watch me clean, then please keep on watching. So I started off by getting some laundry done. Nothing too fancy here, colors with colors, blacks with blacks, and then I do wash my husband's work clothes separately. And typically I do the laundry on the weekends because, as many of you know, I do work a full-time job Monday through Friday. So the days where I could really get stuff done is on the weekends. And then I started to fold some clothes that I had in the dryer from a previous wash. And I usually like to fold my laundry in Luna's room because it's just very well lit in there and I have all this space on the floor to really fold everybody's clothes. So typically this is where I will fold everyone's laundry. And here is Mr. Izzy. You will be seeing him throughout the video. He just is a mama's boy. He's my 4-year-old son and he loves to be around me, loves to help me clean, loves to watch me clean. So you'll see him throughout the video. And of course, the very tedious sock matching. I never find all the pairs and I know I cannot be the only one. Let me know if you guys are also digging for socks and to find pairs. So once I have all the laundry folded, I will put everything into a basket and then just go through every room and put everybody's clothes in their drawers. Since I was already in Luna's room, I just placed her clothes in her drawers, and I actually didn't realize what Izzy was doing until I went back to edit this scene, so here you go. So now we are moving on to the living room, and this place is probably where I always have a mess, or there's something always going on here because it's the one place where we spend most of our time. The kids will bring all their toys here. Luna's stuff is everywhere. So this place is mostly, if not always, messy. So it's my one place where I really have to clean. And then little Miss Luna woke up from her nap, so I am just changing her diaper really quick, and then I will continue to clean. I will usually have Izzy entertain her while I finish, and he does such a good job doing that. So once everything's picked up off of the floor, I will start to vacuum, and this is a Shark vacuum. I'm not sure of the exact name, but I usually will stick with Shark because they are so good. I had a cordless Shark before this one, but I noticed that it just didn't have the same sucking power, if you will. This one just seems to work a lot better. I actually got it on Black Friday for a super good price, but they always have them on sale, I've noticed. So if you guys are in the hunt for a very good vacuum, this is your go-to Shark. And then once everything is vacuumed, I will just start to pick up little bits and ends around the living room. There's always toys and blankets stuck in between this recliner, as you can tell. So then I'll move on to the fireplace and the entertainment center and just give everything a quick wipe down. And then once everything is wiped down, I will start to sweep. And yes, I know it might look like a mini broom, but the boys actually broke the top off of it, so don't judge, okay? It's just a broken broom. I need to get a new one. And then once I've swept that part of the living room, I will move on to this little couch that we have here. This was actually part of our previous living room set, and I just don't know what to do with it, so it just tends to pile all of the kids' stuff and my stuff. To be quite honest, you could tell my purse was on there, so I gave that a quick clean and then swept under that. And then we're moving on to a little Miss Luna's disaster over here. She always goes ham when she eats and always leaves a mess, and there she is. But I will always wipe down her high chair with some Lysol wipes. I really like these, and I will also use these on my dining table, so that's what I am doing here. So now we are moving on to the kitchen, and as you can see, my center island is like the catch-all for all our stuff. So when we come in the house, it's just easier for us to just kind of dump everything here. So it's the first place that I like to clean. And really quickly, because I know I'll get asked, my glasses are from Zelo. They actually sent me a few pairs, but the ones that I'm wearing here are my favorite. I'm totally obsessed, and I'll go ahead and put a link for you guys down below if you guys are in the lookout for some new glasses, or you guys in the search or on the market. But I really like these. Super great materials, super cute, and I'm obsessed. So once I have the counters all clean, I will go in with the Method all-purpose cleaner, and this is actually my favorite scent from them, the lavender. It smells just so divine. And Mr. Izzy Boy loves to stick his stickers everywhere, so I'm always having to take some down from our walls. So now I'm moving on to the other side of the island and just putting everything away where it goes, and then throwing all the trash out, and then I'll give it a quick wipe down also. So now moving over to our sink area and just putting everything away that's on top of here. This door I actually picked up from the Target Bullseye, and I'm planning on doing a DIY, so let me know if you guys would like to see that. So again, I'm just kind of putting everything away, and then I'll give the corner a quick wipe. Now I'm putting away all of our clean dishes, and I get asked this so many times about a dishwasher and if I have one. I do not have one. I just wash my dishes old school. I was brought up that way, and every time we've lived in an apartment, we've had dishwashers and we never use them. Kind of just use them to like put junk in. So no, I do not have a dishwasher, but I am totally fine with it. I wash my dishes by hand. So once I have all the dishes put away, I will go in with Dawn antibacterial soap, and I will clean the side where I put all of my clean dishes in. I'll give that a quick wipe down, and then I like to use the Dawn because I feel like it really disinfects. And then once I'm done rinsing that side of the sink down, I will go in with the Method antibac spray, and then I'll spray the sink with that and then rinse that off. And then now I'm just starting to wash my dishes, and as I clean my dishes and rinse them off, I will put them to the left side of the sink, and then I'll just let them sit there until they air dry, and then I'll put everything away. here I'm just repeating the same steps as I did before, giving it a quick wipe down with the Dawn antibacterial soap and then spraying it down with the Method Antibac. My husband picked up these plants for me. I always like to have some type of greenery in my home, and now that all the Christmas decor is put away, I can really start to bring these out again. So that's just what I'm doing here, is I'm putting them in pots and then watering the plants. Next, I'm just giving my stove a quick clean and wiping everything down. And then I wipe down our refrigerator with some all-purpose spray and then the Antibac, because I have a lot of germy little fingers that like to open and close it. And then I wipe down our entryway table. And then the last thing I did was sweep our kitchen, and we are all done. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this cleaning video and found some motivation from it. And also, let me know down below if you guys prefer these talk through videos, or if you guys prefer to just let the music play and not talk. Let me know down below your opinions. I'd love to know how you guys would want me to record my next cleaning video. And I'll leave off this video by letting Mr. Izzy close it out for you guys with his cute little cleaning skills. Isn't he the cutest? I can't. But thank you guys again for all the support. Please like this video so that I can film more cleaning videos for you guys, and please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.